Select data at a particular level from a multi-index. I have the following pandas data frame with a multi-index, Z, A. Question: how can I select all items with A equals 203? I tried df column, but it doesn't work. Then I found this in the online documentation, so I tried df.xs 203 level equals. But I get type error column xs. Got an unexpected keyword argument level. Also, I don't see this parameter in the installed doc, df.xs question mark. Parameters, key, object sum label contained in the index, or partially in a multi-index axis. Int, default 0 axis to retrieve cross-section on copy, Boolean, default true whether to make a copy of the data. Note, I have the development version. Edit, I found this thread. They recommend something like, I still would like to know what happened with df.xs with the level parameter, or what is the recommended way in the current version.
The problem lies in my assumption, incorrect, that I was in the dev version while in reality I had 1.6.1. One can check the current installed version with. In the current version df.xs, with the level parameter works okay.
Not a direct answer to the question, but if you want to select more than one value you can use the slice notation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.